We're here at the Singapore Airshow, where counter-drone technologies are a very vibrant and interesting sector with lots of different technology providers here showcasing their products. I'm here with Ben Allison, VP of IPG Defense, part of the wider IPG group. Ben, your company has expanded your portfolio into the military domain. Perhaps you'd like to tell us a little more about your solutions that you're offering the market.
Yeah, that's a great question. At IPG Photonics, we've been building laser systems for about 35 years. And what we've seen is a critical need to have this technology be able to be provided to the counter-UAS threat scenario. And so we expanded and created the IPG Defense product line, and we came here to Singapore to essentially show this technology and this capability to our customers in the Indo-Pacific region.
This is the first time that IPG Defense has been at the Singapore Airshow as an exhibitor. Perhaps you could tell us a little more about why you're here and your wider aspirations in the Asia-Pacific market.
Yeah, that's a great question. We see this marketplace, particularly in this Asian Pacific regime, as one of the key areas that these drone threats are actually impacting our customers, whether they be the military or critical infrastructure or the commercial side that wants to protect these assets. And so coming to the Singapore Airshow allows us to provide an introduction to our capabilities and technologies to this region and to this threat space. And it provides IPG Photonics and IPG Defense a way to interact with our customers who know us for our industrial applications, but want to see our defense capabilities.
And IPG Defense is showcasing the crossbow solution here. Would you kindly elaborate on that and what its characteristics are and why it's of application to this sector?
Yeah, we're standing in front of our Crossbow Mini product, which is our first product in IPG Defense. What it provides our customers is a counter-drone solution in a small, compact form factor that we're able to utilize our manufacturing base and prowess to deliver it at cost to our customers. It's standalone, it's able to track and defeat drones either by itself or in a netted situation.
Ben Allison, thank you very much.